Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. So get ready with us. May gagawa ng snowman sa labas. May magawa man lang kami. Tamad-tamad namin. Tamad-tamad namin mag-ina. Come on, hey! Get ready with us na! With us na! Mag-get ready with us na tayo. We're going to make snowman. So, kasi minus 1 sa labas at medyo magandang panahon. Ang kanyang snow pants. Say hi friends! Hello guys! Hello guys! Wala. Pag si Miss Rachel iyan. Kaya tanong gawin mo. Kaya lalabas kami. Makalayo-layo man lang ng kaunti kay Miss Rachel. Nag-get ready with us na tayo. Say hi guys! Can you say hi guys? Welcome back to our channel. Get ready with us guys. Can you smile to guys? Can you smile to the guys? Apple. Can you say apple?
Apple.
Apple. Can you say banana? Can you say avocado? Can you say eggplant? Can you say raspberry? Can you say louder? Louder. Can you say hep-hep-hooray? Okay naman, let's go. Okay, come on, Opsy Daisy. Ayan, we're going outside, guys. May naka-ready na, guys. Look. What's that? Please, okay, let's go. Row boat, okay. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Scream. Good job. Are you happy now? Row. Oh, you're took. Oh, mama, fix it. You sing a song now. Row boat. Where's your snowman? Yan ang aming snowman, guys. What you doing? Row boat. Are you not? Do you not? What about your blanket? Put your blanket here. Row boat. Okay, let's row boat. You sing a song, okay? Row your boat. Row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Scream. Good job. Clouds! Oh yeah! There's a beautiful clouds. Kami na naman guys ang nandito sa neighborhood namin naglalakad. Busy ang lahat sa paghahanap buhay. Kami lang dalawang nandito sa labas. And nagme-melt ang snow. -1 today. So pwede na mag-barbecue. And are you sleepy? Are you happy? Happy? Can you smile to mama? Good job. Oh no, walang ice. Oh. Ni-remove na nila yung ice. Oh no. Let's go back the other side of our neighborhood there. Kasi may ice doon. We need ice. They remove the ice there. Ang hirap-hirap po. Kapag may ice kasi, ang bilis-bilis mag-pool. Yan. Snowman there. Or snowman bunso. What was that? What does the bird say? Tweet. Good job. Hindi na siya malamig. Warm na siya. Nagme-melt na yung mga ice. Are you sleepy? What does the cat say? Meow. Diyos ko, paano? Tayo na naman ang nandito sa ating neighborhood. Tayo na naman ang very busiest mom and daughter in the neighborhood. And, sino gusto magpaalaga ng baby? Let me know. Please comment below. Hala, gusto niya pumunta sa friend niya. Do you wanna go to Romy? Romy? Do you wanna go to Romy? Do you wanna see Romy? Yes? Oh, please. Okay, get up. Oh, you get up. Row boat. Ala. Ayun, mag-get up. Gusto niya mag-row boat. Oh, come on. Gusto niya pumunta sa friend. Gutom na ako. Ala na siya. Ala. Get up. Get up, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, come on, let's go to your room. Hello. Happy? Happy. Say hi, snowman. Where's your snowman? Where's your snowman? Hello, siya si Kain. Si Kain siya. Yummy? let's make a snowman. A snowman. Ah. Thank you, mommy. One more snowman. Ah. Oh. Oh no, oh my god. Uh-oh. Oh no. Ah. It's so big. So big, mommy. Whoa, it's so tall, snowman. Whoa. Happy? Whoa. Wow. Come on. Come on, let's go inside. It's cold. Ayaw niya pang pumasok, I mean. Lumabas na sa labas na nga. Sili mama.